All right, let's go back to work. Next in line is Dennis on a mobile phone. Dennis, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you for taking my call. My wife and I decided to get a divorce in February 2012.
All right.
And can you hear me?
I can. Go ahead.
And we worked out all the details. She had a lawyer. I did. We both agreed upon it. We had no property. We have no children. We came up with an agreement. Her lawyer drew up the agreement. I signed the agreement.
All right.
Now she refuses to file it with the court. What do I do now?
So what you signed was a marital and property settlement agreement, and I congratulate you and your soon-to-be ex-wife, Dennis, for getting it done that way. That is the best way. Do you have a copy of that marital and property settlement agreement that's been fully executed by both you and your wife?
No, her lawyer will not give me a copy.
Well, that's flat out wrong, Dennis. You signed it. You should have a copy. But Dennis,
oh yes, I've been trying to get a copy since we signed it in March, and her lawyer keeps on saying no.
Well,
give it to me.
I'm not pleased at all about that, Dennis. But what that marital and property settlement agreement says is that either one of you can go to court and present this to the judge and get a final judgment of divorce based on this marital and property settlement agreement. So we know we're hoping that she would take the initiative, get down there, get before a judge, raise her hand, and get her divorce officially granted. But if she won't, that settlement agreement probably gives you the right to do the same thing. Now, Dennis, here's the good news. Paul Noonan, he is my family law divorce attorney. He is at my office right now, Dennis, so you can hang up with me, call Paul Noonan. He can maybe give you some more detail about how to move this thing forward, Dennis, which you absolutely should write to. And by the way, I'd be very curious to see what Paul says about this attorney not giving you a copy of this settlement agreement that you actually signed, because that does not sound right or kosher to me. Again, Dennis, you want to reach Paul Noonan in my office right now, call 407-423-5561.